Many centuries ago, a boy named Hatupatu was captured by Kurungaituku, the bird woman. Eventually he managed to escape, but where he fled, Kurungaituku closely followed. Desperate to evade his pursuer, Hatupatu came across a large rock. Uttering an incantation or karakia, the rock opened before him and Hatupatu slipped inside, closing the rock as he went. Here he hid for a time. However, no sooner had he emerged then, Kurungaituku also appeared and gave chase again. Hatupatu eventually reached Whakarewarewa, and he knew there were many hot pools ahead. He carefully ran around the hot pools, knowing that Kurungaituku was in close pursuit behind him. As Hatupatu had hoped, Kurungaituku lost her footing as she tried to grab him. She plunged into this hot pool and perished. Hatupatu then returned to his family on Mokoia Island in Lake Rotorua.